guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. It is actually all thrifted items, so yeah, let's get straight into the video. So in my haul I forgot to include this jumper, so I just film this quick clip. It's a with a iron jumper. I paid, because I wore it, I paid about, I think it was £3.50 or £4, so yeah, it's this really nice crochet jumper. It's really cute. I insert a clip of me wearing it. Oh, I think you can see that. I've got pyjama bottoms on. Yeah, so that's just a really cute jumper. It looked really nice with the brown stripe or check skirt with the belt. Anyway, I insert a picture of that and it looked really cute with the brown boots. So yeah. The first items I thrifted are these Marks and Spencer's boots. They were brand new with the label on. I don't know if you can see it. They were £109 originally. I paid £15. They're real leather. They look like this. I absolutely love them. I've had these Zara boots that everyone's been wearing, so yeah. I've been looking for a pair of like under the knee leather heeled boots for a while, so they're so cute. I insert a clip of me wearing them, but I've worn them already and they're so comfy, and yeah, it's just got these little insert things in to keep the shape, so that's what they look like. The next item is this white blouse. The white blouse is from Whistles and I paid £4. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. It goes really... The next item, which again like I said goes really well with the white blouse, the skirt's on Primark and I paid £3. So that's what it looks like. It's like, you can see a little belt. Like I said, I insert a clip of me with the skirt, the blouse and the boots on, and like I said, they go really nice together. I just think it's such a Taylor Swift outfit. I love the boots, the skirt and the blouse together. Just, I don't know, it reminds me of something Taylor Swift would wear. With I've got like a white cream fake fur coat. I think it would look really nice with, so yeah, that's what they look. Can't really see them, but that is the skirt. I stand up so you can see. It's like black, navy and brown. So I really like the colours. They're quite autumnal / wintry. Like I said, it's black, brown and navy stripes, and obviously like a bit cream. I think is it like a creamy colour, is it right? Brown, beige. Anyway, it's just really cute. I absolutely love this skirt. The next item is like a long cardigan. It's from TU and I paid £5 for it. It was brand new. I don't know if it was about £15 or £20 it said on the label. I can't remember. I took the label off because I've already wore it. So yeah, this again was another new item. It's just this really long cardi. Goes to just below my knees or just to my knees. Anyway, it's so nice and warm. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it. Because it's like a beige neutral colour, it will just go with everything. So yeah. Absolutely love this. So yeah, absolutely love this cardi. Like I said, the beige neutral tones just go with so much. I wore this. I've wore it quite a bit already, but I wore it with the next item I'm going to show you. This grey Devon skirt. This grey Devon skirt was about £4 and it's Topshop. I absolutely love. So let me zip it up. Yep, so like I said, it was about £3 or £4. I think it was about £4, I think. Everything was about £3 or £4, apart from obviously the boots and the cardigan. I love this worsted detail. I don't know, it just reminds me of like a cowgirl or cowboy. It would actually look really cute with some, might look a bit too matchy with cowgirl boots. But yeah, it reminds me of like the western detail, like cowboy, cowgirl. So yeah, it's a grey denim skirt. I wore like just a plain black blouse with it and the the brown cardi and some like long, the like sort of flat but not completely flat like under the knee, like level up boots, and they look, I'd have to insert a clip, but I thought it looked very nice. I think the denim skirt dresses down like the boots and everything else, so it's just a nice look through if you want to. I think denim always looks a bit more casual, so yeah, this is just a really nice skirt which will go with anything. Like I said, I think denim looks casual. You can wear something like this in the winter or in the summer, obviously in the winter with tights. So yeah, I've been wearing it already. Then I'm looking forward to wearing this also in the summer. With some, like, I don't know, sandals or white trainers or Converse or something like that, and just like a little t-shirt or blouse. I just think it will go with absolute loads. So like I said, I thrifted that for about, I think it was £4. The next two items are skirts. This one I bought from Fat Face, and the next skirt is like, it's like a gorgeous, like I don't know what the colour is, like turquoise, is it gluey, bluey green colour. So I paid £4, and like I said, it's from Fat Face. It has this gorgeous embroidered like, what's it called, flowers. So yeah, I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. It looked nice with that cream, with that white blouse. Or I've got like a nice cream card I think it would look nice with. So yeah, I just zoom in to get some more detail. The last skirt is on Dorothy Perkins, and I paid £3. Yeah, £3.50. So it's like this, my mum said it's a paisley pattern, but I don't know. I think it's like, is it a paisley, is that what it's called? But I think this is again a gorgeous skirt. It's navy and pink, like pink and, it's got pink and reds in, so again, not colours you might not really put together, but yeah. Sorry, the dress was £4.50 from the thrift shop, and it is originally from Miss Selfridge. So I love this gorgeous dress. I just think it's green. I don't know, it reminds me of like fall, autumn colours, winter. It's got this gorgeous, it's black with these gorgeous, black velvet with these gorgeous like orange and, oh, that's green flowers on. So yeah. So I love this. I just think it looks gorgeous with those brown boots. I'll insert a clip because it's a bit like a bodycon style. It makes you like, it sucks everything in. So I'm not that I'm really like snatched, but I feel like it makes it. God, that sounds really really bad. But I think it makes you look more of like a hourglass in you. If that makes sense. So yeah, I think this is just a really nice dress. It's a nice length, it's not really like dead short, so you can't having to pull it up when you're walking. So yeah, it looks really nice with those brown boots. Go with so much, so I absolutely love this. I think it's very figure flattering, like even if you're curvy or you're not very curvy, it just will snatch it. I don't know, it just makes everything, so goes in at all the right places. I absolutely love this dress. My favourite dress that I've bought in a while. So yeah. So like I said, so we love this dress, and that was the last item. So right, whenever I film a haul, my camera battery always dies on me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this try on haul. I don't know what you did in class. I suppose it's because it's a winter try on haul. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Oh, well, this is from the fish shop. But I bought one. This isn't from the fish shop, but this is what I bought from B&M. It was only £4.99. Can you hear? The ice has stayed solid. It's not melted, so it's like a Stanley Droop. I was in Knock, trying to pay £40 for a cup. So this is my Stanley Droop for £4.99. Well, actually, I think my dad's going to have this one because when we first went, there wasn't any pink ones. Anyway, so my mum went in today, and because my dad, when we went, there was only 2 left. So me and my mum bought the last 2, and she went in the other day, and they had another shipment B&M. So she bought me a pink one. So my dad's gonna clean this. He's gonna have this one, and I'm gonna have the pink one. So yeah, that's my B&M find. £4.99. So I'm basic. But anyway, I think that's everything. I don't think I've bought anything else recently. Anyway, right, so I better go and get my tea. Sorry I'm not dressed very nice, so this is my work fit. It's a bit like a baby doll dress situation with pockets. I don't know if you can see, it's not most flattering, but it's what I wear to work. So yeah, just thought I'd come in quickly, film a quick haul video. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe. Please subscribe. Right, I'll see you in my next video. Ooh, I look a mess.